Okay, this is a video tutorial for analysis of a 3D frame using UBC97. Okay, so go to first of all we will change the code, but before changing we need to define model. File, new model. In new model select keep foot and select 3D frame. In 3D frame go for beam slab system. Number of stories say 5, and we'll keep the rest of values as default values. Press OK. Now we need to define different parameters. First of all we'll change the code. Go to option. In option go to design. In design go to concrete design. Concrete design go to view and preference, and from here you have to change the code first. Okay, select AISC 99. AISC 31899 is compatible with UBC 97. The load factor of AISC 31899 is compatible with UBC 97. That's why I am taking AISC 99. Okay, now press OK. Go to define. We'll keep the default concrete frame. We will define the sections. Go to define frame section. In the frame section add two sections, one for the column, the other for the beams. So add a new property. Go to concrete rectangular section. In rectangular section name it as B18 cross 12. So this is 1.5 is foot is 18 and 12 is 1 in foot. Go to reinforcement. In reinforcement select the type as beam. The cover to the center of bar is 2.5 inches, which correspond to 0.2083. Okay, press OK and OK. So we have defined one section. Now let's define another section. Go to concrete rectangular section and add a section column 18 cross 18. We will have a column of 18-inch dimension. So the width and depth will be same, 1.5 foot, which correspond to 18. In the reinforcement type it is taken as column, so and the rest of value will take it as default. Press OK and OK. Now we need to define the area section. The length of one length is 36 foot and the other length is also 36 foot. So what will be the depth of slab? At least the least depth of slab is perimeter divided by 180. So 36 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 2 divided by 180, 9.6. So we will take a slab of 10 inches. Okay, define section property, area section. In the area section go to add section and name is as slab 10 and give the thickness of 10 inch, which is 0.833. Okay, now what we need to assign the frame and sections and also slab. First of all we will assign the slab. So select all, go to assign area and area section. In area section we will assign slab 10. Okay, now the next part is to assign the columns and beams. Go to XZ view and select all the beams by intersection line tool. and press enter. All the beams are selected here at this one level grid. All the beams are selected. Now move upward in the level 2 and we'll select all the grids. All beams are selected here. Now we'll move to level 3 and we'll select all the beams. All beams are selected, and now the last part, again we need to select the beams. So we have selected all the beams in full 3D frame. We need to assign it to a group by assign to group, add a new group and make a group all beams and press OK. So all the beams are assigned in a group of beam. Now we can select this by select the group, not label. In fact, we will select the group. Again, go to select and select groups, all beam. So all the beams are selected. Now I need to invert the selection. Before inverting selection, what I need also to remove the area object from view. How to remove area object from view? Go to the display option. In the display option, not in view, area not in view. So from here we have only frame system and area is removed from the view. Now the next part is to go to view and invert selection. Selection is not inverted, so we will undo this step. We will again refresh our view. Let's select all again, view, show all, and there is another way of doing it. We have selected all the beams and I will say remove selected from the view. So what happened? The beams are selected from the view, but still we have beam in the other direction. You can see it, the beams are there in the other direction. The one direction is removed, so we need to assign this also. Okay, so go to XZ view, YZ view. In the YZ view, go the intersecting tool and select the beams. The other way of selecting all the beam is go to perspective view, and in perspective view you can do it, but here we have the distance of the column very less, so we will not this option, we will not use this option. We have selected all the beam in this view. Go to next level, this level. In this level we will select the beams. Save our model.